Young lady, can we talk? Please, can we talk? How are you? Why are you looking? Why are you looking at me like that?
Talk about what? Don't you see that you're disturbing me?
I'm disturbing you on what?
Mister, don't you see that I'm busy?
You are busy doing what?
I'm taking my pictures, please.
Excuse me, please. Excuse me.
Huh?
Excuse me. Let me take my car.
You're saying something. What are you saying?
Excuse me. I was saying
You're
something.
saying
I was
something
saying
just
something.
now.
You want? You don't want me to take my car? Shoot.
I know that it's your
I
car
was
now,
talking
babe.
to you. You stop at me. What
But
is wrong with you?
I was trying to take pictures fast,
You
fast,
look at
fast.
me from head to down. I don't want to talk again, Chief.
How are you
No,
now?
I don't want to talk. I don't want to talk.
This man, fine
This
boy, you can be angry,
this is
oh.
harassment. You are harassing me.
Hey,
Chief.
don't go there. But
Chief.
even you're also harassing me. Let me be. What is it? Oh, so somebody cannot make you shakara. What is it? You also you are making like you are not a man. You think that you just come and talk to me or just ask all the. You don't know that we women also we have our own way to do things. Eh?
But I've said I don't want to talk to you again.
But what?
Let me go.
But
Let
you
me
also
go.
you are not a man. Eh? You are not a man. You don't know that we have to do these things like this. We do things like that. Eh? You are just angry now as if I've done something bad to you.
I talk to you. You look at me from head to down, looking at my shoe.
I was not looking at your shoe. I was not looking at your shoe.